Irish Street Reno, week 194. Guys, I actually work on the house this week, so let's get to it. Welcome back to the Reno. I'm actually working on the house this week, albeit starting small. On Thursday, I'm patching this hole left by the previous chandelier. By Friday, the drywall compound has dried enough for sanding, and look, you'd never know I put a hole in this beautiful new drywall. After wiping off the dust, I give it a coat of paint. Since I've got the paint out, I go around the house, touching up a few spots that have been in need of paint since I moved in. In the upstairs bathroom, I finally installed this handle on the pocket door. It seems like these little finishing details are the last to get done because they're not crucial, but all the same, it's nice to knock them out. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've given a proper update, so let's do one today. Well, I haven't done much on the house the last couple of months. Little bits of trim, some painting here and there. Nothing substantial. I've been planning out and gearing up for the final phase of the renovation, which I'm about to start. So those can be 5 rooms. The bedroom downstairs, the office downstairs, the home theater downstairs, bathroom number 3 downstairs, and I'm gonna redo the garage. Mainly, I'm gonna replace the ceiling, update the lighting out there. Not much different, just a few more gimbal lights and things for some certain areas. But mainly what I'm doing in the garage is framing out the walls, putting in insulation, putting up drywall, and then installing a mini split so everything can be climate controlled. And also that insulation should help contain some of the noise when I'm working out there, because I want to be good to my neighbors and not be too obnoxious when I'm doing projects in the shop. Downstairs, I'll basically be doing some cleanup today. I'm going to move some shelves and use this area, which is eventually going to be the bar, get some snacks, a drink before you go into the home theater. But for this phase of the reno, since it's drywalled and electrically and mechanically finished, I'm going to go ahead, just put some shelves and things in these unfinished rooms in here so that they'll be as empty as possible, so that when I start framing them, wiring them, insulating them, I won't have a bunch of stuff in the way. And something else I learned during the main reno, that stuff will just get dirty if it's in a construction area. So I'm gonna try to keep some boundaries there. Anyways, today is all about organizing this room, getting some stuff from those rooms in here, out of the garage, down here, and just use this as kind of a staging storage area while I build out the final parts of the home. So, thanks for listening to my long rambling update. We're gonna get cracking on some fun projects, so let's get going. After a busy afternoon, most of the detritus has been moved from the empty rooms into this room, clearing the way for framing. On Sunday, I'm playing around with this painter's tape, thinking about how a diagonal door would look leading into the theater room. Being able to see and play around with layouts in the physical space is 100 times better than seeing it on the computer. In the evening, I turned to a truly unglamorous job on the main HVAC trunk here. I didn't get a good before shot before starting this project, but there was a giant elbow sticking out of the side of this duct that bends its way to an outlet just above the duct. Because of how the home theater soffits will be framed, this one elbow prevents a big obstruction, and luckily I can redirect the outlet through the top of the trunk. It's very difficult to perform this job with the trunk already mounted to the ceiling, but thanks to some HVAC cardboard, HVAC tape, and most importantly, some spray foam, I get a really nice seal on this redirected vent. And check out the side shot. No more elbows sticking out the side. Hey guys, something fun just arrived today. Can you guess what it is? It's a new tool chest for my workshop. Since I'll be ripping this room apart and framing it, this tool chest serves a dual purpose. During the reno, my woodshop has been in sore need of dust collection and all my tools are filthy. So, before I store them in the new chest, I clean every single one of them with a microfiber towel. Unsurprisingly, this took me several hours and well into the evening, but the shop is looking cleaner and my tools are finding their new home. I even have some extra drawers for fasteners and miscellaneous parts. That's going to be a wrap for week 194. I appreciate you supporting my channel, and until next week, happy renovating.